How to fix if your iPhone hotspot not working? And to fix this issue, the first workaround is tap on settings and here go to cellular or data and make sure that cellular data is enabled because cellular data should be on, must be on to use hotspot, and also maximize compatibility mode of your iPhone hotspot. So enable this feature also. Thereafter go back and the next one is force restart your iPhone. First tap on volume up button, then volume down button, and thereafter long press and keep holding until Apple logo appear in old iPhone, and in case of iPhone 15, volume up button and home button press simultaneously and conjointly press until Apple logo appear on your screen to force restart your iPhone, and check whether your iPhone hotspot is working or not. If not, tap on settings again and here tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and here choose reset network settings. Tap on it and unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID and tap on reset network settings to reset your network settings and check hotspot is working or not. If not, again tap on settings, tap on general, tap on battery, and here low power mode should be disabled. So if you find it on, kindly disable it.